analysts speculate that a recent symposium attended by Chinese President Xi Jinping and leading business figures may signal the end of a prolonged crackdown on the country's tech sector, a move aimed at revitalizing the struggling economy. The meeting, a significant event in the context of China's current economic stagnation, brought together some of the nation's most prominent entrepreneurs. Among those present were Jack Ma, founder of the e-commerce giant Alibaba, whose past clashes with the government have been well documented; Wang Chuanfu, chairman of the electric vehicle manufacturer BYD; Robin Lai, CEO of the search engine Baidu; Robin Zeng, chairman of the battery giant CATL; Pony Ma, chairman of Tencent; Lei Jun, founder of Xiaomi; and Ren Zhengfei, founder and CEO of the telecommunications equipment behemoth Huawei. The participation of Jack Ma, in particular, generated considerable interest. Once a highly visible target of regulatory scrutiny, Ma's prolonged absence from the public eye following a controversial 2020 speech criticizing certain government policies fueled speculation about the extent of the government's displeasure. His reappearance at this high-level symposium is interpreted by many analysts as a potential turning point, suggesting a possible shift in the government's approach towards the tech industry. The meeting, therefore, holds significant weight, hinting at a potential thawing of relations between the government and the private sector, a necessary step towards stimulating economic growth. The symposium's significance extends beyond the symbolic reconciliation with Ma. The gathering of such a high-profile group of business leaders underscores the gravity of China's economic challenges and the government's recognition of the crucial role the private sector plays in driving economic recovery. The government's focus on boosting domestic consumption and investment, alongside efforts to stabilize the real estate market, necessitates a collaborative approach with the business community. The crackdown, while aimed at curbing unchecked corporate power and promoting fairer market practices, inadvertently contributed to economic uncertainty and stifled innovation. The meeting, therefore, can be viewed as a strategic maneuver to foster confidence among investors and entrepreneurs, encouraging them to invest and stimulate economic activity. The long-term implications of this meeting remain to be seen. While the symposium suggests a potential easing of regulatory pressure, the government's approach towards the tech sector may continue to evolve. However, the presence of these influential business leaders and the apparent reconciliation with Jack Ma signify a notable shift in the government's strategy, potentially paving the way for a more supportive and collaborative environment for the private sector, crucial for addressing the challenges of economic stagnation and fostering future. The coming months will be critical in observing how this apparent shift in policy translates into tangible changes in the regulatory landscape and overall economic performance.